Hey queens and kings, welcome back and thank you guys so much for watching as well as returning. As you all can tell from the title and the thumbnail, we are getting ready for fall, but we're doing some early rearranging for fall pretty much here in the living room. As you all can see, basically getting my house all set up for this little cozy weather vibe season. Even though I live in Florida, so it ain't like too much changing is gonna happen other than what I'm doing right now in my living room. But anyways, at least I could just feel like it in my home. So pretty much that's what I'm doing, getting the living room all swap around. Where I had this idea, this vision. You guys know I do how I do. I have to just try it out, and that's basically what I'm doing. So basically my ideal in design that I'm doing, as you all can see right now, is pretty much trying to make my sofa and bed pretty much be like a sectional. I think I'm gonna pull this off though. I think I'm gonna pull it off. But this is the first look and ideal of it, how I came up with it. And then that's when I noticed, like, okay, I don't have much room for to do other things, which is the console table. I'm like, okay, now what the hell I'm gonna do at this point here? So I'm gonna have to go back into the drawing board and come back up with something else, which you guys gonna see that. But before I do that, I'm just gonna go ahead and style the couch, and maybe that will help me out to figure out the look that I want or what I was going for, because there's a vision, there's an ideal in my mind, and it has to come out. It really does, because you guys know I'm not going to stop until I actually try it. And that's basically how we came up with this early fall rearranging the living room. So if you queens and kings into videos like this, you want to go ahead and continue to watching. You want to go ahead and subscribe. Yeah, if you have not subscribed already, and turn on your post notification bell. That's for the old and the new queens and kings just here. Do that for me, please. Thank you. But also comment down below if you guys ready for fall. Like, who's ready for the cozy weather, the snuggle of the candles and the comforters or blankets. That's what I'm trying to say, blankets. Just the sweaters and all that. Like, I'm ready for the cool breeze. Like, when the cool breeze come along, for me, it feel like I basically been renewal of myself, pretty much. But I love fall. But yeah, so if this is the type of videos this is the type of videos you are into, go ahead to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll stop talking right now. Bye. It would have been fine with just one chair. With two chairs, I don't know. Is this gonna move down to there? That gonna go to there. That's the ideal I had in mind. Pretty much so I can open it back up. I don't know though. All right, so at this point here, I'm basically trying to see, can I put both of these chairs over here? But obviously I can't. You see, one is working just fine. So I was like, okay, I got to try the second one just to see how it look. But when I noticed that this chair here is by the bed jammed up, I was like, okay, this is not going to work. It's not going to work, but I'm still going to try it and see, in a way, just to say that I tried it or whatever, because I underestimated the size of these chairs when I was actually having this vision. I really did. I must thought these was some skinny chairs, but baby, these accent chairs is not skinny at all. So I was like, okay, that don't seem like it's going to work. So, okay, I'm going to have to go back to the drawing board. And that's when I just sat down here. I was like, you know what? I'll be back, y'all. I'll be back, because this is not going to work. So I'm putting the chairs back, and then I'm just going to go off camera and do what I do. And then I'm going to come back to you guys pretty much. Okay. All right, queens and kings. So this is pretty much what I came up with. I know you guys can see the vision, but because I can see the vision too, it gives me back basically the front room opening up. I still have areas where I can sleep at too as well. I'm not gonna lie, this area bothers me because the couch is a little bit lower than the mattress, but not too much. But I have this area here because I don't know. I have that area. I don't want to put the pillows there because then it looks so awkward when I put the pillows there. These, like, you really can see the different layers in it. So I don't know. I think this is how I'm gonna leave it though. But those vases there, I think I'm gonna move those and put them back there, because I did put the console table back there, as well as my 2 end tables. So I'm thinking I could put 1 vase there and 1 vase there. Hopefully it don't be too much, because I really don't have too many other places that I could put them vases, a vase or whatever. But we're gonna try it out and see. So let's do that. If I do that, I decided to put the round table over there. It's kind of bothering me. This still do bother me. I can't get the mirrors off of there. That bothers me. So I'm gonna have to play around with this area just a tad little bit more. I know that's what I'm gonna end up doing. But I decided to do this area like this to pull some of the brown, the gold, and the silver over here. And I put that little ottoman there. I removed it there. It was over there. I removed it. So I'm gonna put the TV on this stand here. So that means I gotta move that stuff there. So you see, now I'm having more problems. But yeah. So I'm losing wall space. So I gotta figure this out. It does fill that area up back there. Let me put this big bowl back there, see how that will look. So I have this bowl here. Think about putting that bowl here. What y'all think? Hold on. So what y'all think? It does fill that area up, that space. So I'm kind of liking that. I might take the taller pumpers out though and put them somewhere else, like over here probably where this big mirror at. That's if I leave that mirror there though. That's the thing. I'll figure it out. So this is what I did. I don't know why, I just like this little setting, vignette, location, look, or whatever style. I don't know why. And I just put that over there for to catch the motor patrols and stuff like that. And picture, which I need to put another picture in that one. So, yeah. I'm kind of liking this. Yeah, I'm really liking it. So this is pretty much my early fall setup. If I didn't tell you guys that, it's my early fall setup. So that's basically what I'm doing now. But the crazy thing is, I got decor that I have nowhere to put. So that means I'm gonna have to hide it behind my new location for the hide stuff for storage. Cause that's what the fireplace is. I'm not gonna be able to even put the fireplace up. I was kind of upset about that, but I was like, you know what? Hey, let's just try it out without the fireplace. And I'm liking the setup so far. I really am liking the setup. So, now I gotta get the TV up there.
Be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. sure do love it, but I need your lips on mine. Can you kiss me hard? We're so young, boy, we ain't got nothing to lose. Oh, oh, it's just principle. Baby, hold me, 'cause I like the way you move. Oh.
Hey Queens and Keys, welcome back. It's the next day. I pretty much did my last little final of things that I'm gonna do and tell you guys about things that I want to do. I'm actually happy the way that it looked. Jamie even gave me a compliment too. She like, Mom, I like it like this. So I can't tell you how many times I have changed this living room around. So if you don't gain nothing else from this channel or from me, I want you to actually just listen to what I just said. What I'm about to say. I mean, I'm tired. We got 3 days left before we off again. But listen, try it out. You had a vision for it, try it out. You had a dream for it, try it out. You got a inspiration from a magazine, you got inspiration from a friend, you got an inspiration just looking at something on TV. Try it out in your home, because you're gonna keep on playing that image in your head and be like, oh, I should, but I'm tired, or I don't want to do it. Or get you some help. Get you some help. That's one of my trades that I don't do. Ask for help. I know that. I'm working on that, but let's be honest, I don't have that much help. But try it out. I get inspiration all the time, and definitely if it's an idea that comes up in my head that I want to try in my home, I'm going to try it. So try it. And if you're new here, I live in a 2-bedroom. Me and 2 of my kids, 2 out of 3. The oldest don't stay here, but the 2 youngest here with me. And I made this apartment into our comfortable home for the time being. And to the Lord, bless us with our forever home. But with that being said, I just hope my home give you some type of inspiration, some type of motivation. You get inspired, some type of form of fashion. Try out the little awkward ideas. Try them out, because this honestly was one for me. And it did turn out better than I actually thought it was going to turn out. So let me start running my mouth and show you guys pretty much fall refresh of the living room. Okay? Here goes the living room. It's like, this is what I have done, and I am loving it. I'm loving it. So what you guys just seen today was me basically mount the TV up on the wall, and you know, I put a little decor over here, so I'm able to keep my dresser, which is pretty much what my clothes and stuff house in. If you're new here, this is my area, my room, as well as in my living room. But you see, I got the dresser here. I'm gonna hide the cords. I'm just not gonna do it today. I decided to go ahead and put this pump over here just to hide some of this little ugliness of this mirror, but I was able to get the glass and stuff off. I still need to clean it a little bit more, but I was able to get it off. How I was able to get it off, I had to get a blade, one of the little push-out blades that's the blade is real long, to cut pretty much underneath for to pull it off. That's how I was able to get it off, but I'm happy that I got it off. I took the round mirrors off the wall over here because I feel like it was collashing with this big mirror here. So what I'm thinking about doing is some DIY canvases to put one there and one there, just to fill into that space there. But I also put this ottoman here because I'm not gonna have no room in the dining room whenever my chairs and stuff get here. So I decided to just go on ahead and sit this here and move the other one out the way. So, but this is how this area look here, and I'm loving this. I'm loving this. Oh, what I am thinking about doing, you guys know the little idea that I did in Jasmine bathroom with the little flowers and greenery hanging over to one side, a corner of it. I'm thinking about doing like a pompous piece over there. So I don't know, it's something that just in my mind, and you guys know what it be in my mind. 9 out of 10 I'm gonna do it. So just stick around for that, or you'll have to watch it, see it on my DIY channel. But you know, so I cleaned all that area up, but this is pretty much the biggest overview and change in the living room. So I took the pumpkins out of the vases back there. Obviously you seen them behind me just then, and I decided to put the books back there, those sitting on back there, and I pretty much styled this area like this. The fact that this is gray as well as this is gray, if you didn't know, if you didn't see me do this, you'll think that piece actually pretty much go together. But ordinary for me to house my sleeping pillow and stuff, I decided to just put it over here in this corner, and I have it over here with this little pillow. So bam, it's in plain sight but out of sight at the same time, as well as my bed. So I just like the way how this actually is set up. So this is the new living room setup for fall, and however long it may stay this way until I get bored. But the reason I changed it out because I was just tired of it being closed in. I just don't like the closed in part. It really don't give out the floor plan of the apartment, because even though it's a 2-bedroom, but it's pretty spacious, pretty big. The living room and stuff is pretty big. Obviously, you guys don't see me change the house around so many times, so you know it's pretty big. But I'm liking it. I like how everything is. Now behind me is the dining room area, and yeah, we ain't got that yet, baby. We ain't got that yet, but hopefully we'll be there pretty soon. So yeah, but yeah, Queens and Kings, this is pretty much the new look. The early fall, decorate, clean, and stuff like that. So if you Queens and Kings enjoyed this video, cleaning and decorating, rearranging with me for early fall, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, because you know we got to decorate for fall too, honey. Not just, you got to do a little decoration too, you know. We got to buy some things, so you may want to comment back. But anyways though, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe, because we almost to a home stretch of trying to reach 10,000. I think we are 9,800, and I thank you guys so much for it. I really do appreciate it. I see you guys showing so much love. So from my family and I, we love you guys and thank you guys so much. But it's like 7:35. I'm about to go take a bath and lay down so I can get prepared for work in the morning. So I'll tell you guys in the next episode. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And you Queens and Kings continue to be royal. And remember, honey, that crown may tilt, baby. But a day I sure won't fall. Bye-bye.